Kiki the Hedgehog and sweet-smelling Mint. Under the shade of a gigantic yellow sunflower, there lived a chubby and slightly grumpy hedgehog named Kiki. Kiki felt safe thanks to his quills, but these quills made other soft-furred forest dwellers hesitant to approach him. Kiki always wandered alone, unable to get close to anyone. Right next to Kiki's burrow, a tiny mint plant with bright green leaves was just sprouting from the soil. When the wind passed through, the mint spread such a refreshing, calming aroma that it could instantly soothe even the grumpiest squirrel in the forest. One day, while Kiki was rolling around his burrow, he carelessly tumbled right onto the mint. "Ouch!" cried the mint, as its leaves were slightly crushed. The intense, sharp scent released by the mint filled Kiki's nose. Kiki stopped immediately. "I am so sorry, Mint," he said in a voice full of shame. "My quills, they always hurt someone." The mint smiled. "It's all right, Kiki. I'm just a little crushed. But look, where I'm crushed, I start to smell even better. My strength is in my scent, just like your strength is in your quills." Kiki was astonished. No one had ever told him his quills were a strength. That summer, a terrible storm approached the forest. The sky darkened and the wind began to shake the trees violently. The mint, with its thin stem and delicate leaves, struggled to withstand the wind. Its leaves began to tear. Kiki saw how helpless the mint was. He quickly started rolling around the mint, drawing circles. He created a small, thorny protective wall in the soil. He covered the mint's most delicate parts with his own chubby body and sharp quills. "Don't worry, Mint," Kiki said. "My quills will protect you. Let the wind hit me, not you." When the storm passed, Kiki was tired but happy. He had dug up the soil around the mint, blocking the wind, and had protected it with all his might. The mint looked at Kiki with admiration. "Kiki, you're not just thorny. You are also the kindest-hearted hedgehog in the world. Your quills didn't hurt me. They saved me." From that day on, Kiki and the mint became inseparable friends. Kiki was afraid of crushing the mint with his quills, so he always took careful steps around it, which taught Kiki to be gentler. Whenever Kiki felt lonely or tense, he would come to the mint, taking deep breaths of its sweet aroma. The mint's refreshing scent instantly chased away Kiki's grumpiness. Sometimes the mint would tell Kiki its favorite tales, and on stormy days, Kiki would gently wrap his body around the mint's branches. Kiki learned with the mint that his quills were not an obstacle, but a protective shield for his friends. And the mint showed Kiki that being delicate was not a weakness, but a refreshing kind of strength. And so, the hedgehog and the sweet-smelling mint lived happily ever after, embracing all the beauties nature offered, despite their differences.